Hey there, today we're going to look at Zeffy Fundraising Tutorial 2026, so let's get started. First, open Zeffy on your browser and log into your account. Over here, click the Fundraising tab on the left side. Then select Create a Form to start setting up your donation form. After that, choose the type of fundraising form you want to create, like donations, events, or memberships. Then enter your form title and add a short description. Over here, upload your organization's logo and customize the banner if needed. After that, scroll down and set your donation amounts, including preset options and custom amounts. Then, choose whether you want recurring donations enabled. Over here, turn on monthly, quarterly, or yearly options if required. After that, move to the Payment Settings section and review Zeffy's zero-fee payment structure. Then, customize your form questions. Over here, add fields like donor name, email, address, or any specific question your organization needs. After that, go to the confirmation page settings and write a thank you message for donors. Then, click Save and Preview to check how your donation form looks. Over here, review the form layout and test the donation flow. After that, hit Publish to make your form live. Then, copy the link of your donation form from the top right. Over here, share it on your website, social media, or email campaigns. After that, go back to your dashboard and open the Donors tab. Then, review all donor details inside your donor management panel. Over here, filter donors by date, amount, or donation type. After that, export your donor list if you need it for reporting. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.